Kalau kena wala sesuatu kecil kalau kan.
Kalau ibu pulang
He's translating for me. I had to, for example, I want to welcome our next speaker, and he is actually a former Commissioner for International Religious Freedom, and his name is David Curry, and David is all about the Karen people. He has a heart for the Karen people. He's a true friend to the Karen. So we want to give him a warm welcome and thank him for coming to talk with us.
David Curry,
Thank you very much. It is come on in here. It's a great honor to be with you, to represent the struggles and the endurance and the courage that you have as a people for your freedom and for your independence. And I just want to say I appreciate your invitation to be here. When I was researching and looking into the battle and the fight that you had for your independence, I came across a quote from a young Karen child who had escaped from violence. The child said this: "One wave of persecution came when I was a child that profoundly influenced my worldview. Older and younger generations of Karen continue to suffer the brutality of the Burmese military as they try to wipe us out physically, culturally, and linguistically from this earth." And then this child said, "My heart aches every time I think about the indigenous people of Burma being destroyed." And when I read quotes like that and hear stories like your story and the story of your families, I am deeply moved at the injustice with which you have faced all of these years. And I want you to know that I personally, and I think many others who are coming to know your struggle, stand behind you as well. That's enough.
Okay. Nimina, hey, aware. Yeah, the two have paid one a year. Who can you so take in your research at your no? Bahadala, Tadita, Konyota, the Blue War, Tassa, Putagata, Leco Plo, La, by him, Haplo, La Tadita Yabu, Tagoto, Weta Plur, La, one wave of persecution profound my worldview. Where Bahadala, Putagata, T. Call letter, Coppola, where big dance, Sotimana Boa Huda, where Sotimana Boa, Gladi Lane, La Physical the gay, Lapanoco, the gay, La Patahuta gay, La Noco, Tahuta the gay, Dokula Bonde, where do I would have was a dinner, where lucky, but your Sotimana Boala, but Lula to the new, but in your culture, the name Maha will Boa. The linguistics, no, Mahana Takotin Pai, Maha, the mule, the Paladamu, when my wife Tan Panitia, who are aware ဒါမှဟောဘောအကလုကလူဘူးနေတရာတကားတီဝဲဖဝဲတင်ညာထွဲဝဲဟိုတော့အတတူပါလာပကညောတာ injustice တာဒီတို့ထဲတော့ဘာနေတကညောထွဲပဝဲပပွားကညောတဲ့တဖဝီတော့အိုလဘလော်ခီကစောထွဲမနောကစောထွဲမစပွားလဘလော်ခီဟိုဝဲတဲလော်တာကဒမှုကနေ
If there's one thing, though, that you are known for above all others, it would be the word endurance. Your continued endurance to fight this conflict, going all the way back to 1943, 49, the systematic campaigns, forced relocation, extrajudicial executions, and the destruction or the attempted destruction of your culture. Yet you have endured, and I want to encourage you that the world knows that the world sees your endurance, and we're not going to forget.
တရာတဂိုင်းဒီမီဖလက်တဖလာရီဒုကတလာဘာသာတေထွဲလကညောဖို့တီထွဲကညောဖို့လီမီဖလက်ဒုကတနေတဲဝဲလာ endurance အဝပတူတာကဲအခန်းနိုင်အိုအဝလီမီဖလက်တဖလာနေမတီကညောနေကတိနောထဝလီမီဖလက်တဖလာဘာမနူဟိုနေဘဘကညောတဲ့ဟဲကေတူဆာခေါ်ဆာဒေါ်ဒဆိုတာလကညောတာကလူဟောကညောသဝဟောဆာဒလာခုခေါ်ဆုကနော်ဒီခုခရလူစီတာတကယ်ခွေရလူစီခီလူစီခွေဖနေခါပယောကလူဒူဖတ်ဒကိုင်စောတိမနဘဝလ systematic တကခါဝီတခါရက်လေပါစဝချက်နနာဝီစောတိမနဘဝဝဒူဟာတော့ဘလာတလတပူဝီတပူသူမပယောပကညောသဝဖနေဝဲဥပဝဲဖိုင်ဝီမကညောသဝလက်စီကလတလောကတကတိပါ execute ကနေမဟာဝဒါ regulator လာတော့တဖာနေဟုတ်ဘဝLucky the guy located the Gadewella attempt to destroy culture away. Maha could up a year to that party who Kuna or Munu Kuna Pane, the tea went over, no? The Yatwa would they play their part of Dagi, that they know Dagi, that Blonya,
You are known for your endurance, but those that you battle are known for the injustice that they have brought to your people. The continued military offenses, the ethnic cleansing of Myanmar, the life that some of you have had to live and your friends and family have had to live in refugee camps. I saw a quote from someone from a refugee camp that said the Karen are not free to live because they were in constant fear. In the refugee camps, we were confined, dehumanized, and powerless. And so that is why those that you battle against for your freedoms are known for their injustice, and that is why people need to hear your voice and hear your cries.
Lucky the Trafado Tevene, Walla Didala, Tadu Amenya de Pane, they know to where what that do put it by name. We did injustice one, that do to head over to Obaho, but do that in it. Mahudala, Kobayo, Pudu, ethnic cleansing, where Mahawa or Malosa, Babaganyo, no, in the Dua, Tweet the door, Babaganyo, Dine Ohuda, within Yatwa, Tiwan, limited of Plur, Labaganyo, La Deco, Buni, Kanyopo, Tagala, La Debo, Detroit, Kadone, Babaganyo, Paine, Butter Uwala, that's a play Buba. But the Ula, free to live or not. About Ula, Papa Loa, a lot clear, but what we had a clerk and you are about Dalo Penny. The Kadiwa, do that they go dehumanize one, no, where the power jado, where Hokopuba, power jado, Sapokopuba, Dine, Huda, Tatapaine, Hokodobe, Christinia, Napa, Titwe, Hudra, they can get the blood, okay.
And lastly, there's something else that I want to say to you. You're known for your endurance. Those you battle against are known for their injustice. But the last thing I want to say to you is that there is hope rising with this administration in the White House, with the strength of your voice and your community. There's hope rising among your people. So feel encouraged that your voice is being heard. that organizations such as this are making your concerns heard. And by standing with you, I hope that we're going to be able to uphold the universal values of dignity and justice for the Quran and for everyone else. May God bless you, and may God bless your people.
No. Aware